back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I'm Ariana from Crafting Happiness, and I post step-by-step crochet tutorials that teach you new patterns and techniques the easy way. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet the large leaf border. And this is how it looks like, back and forth. It's a double-sided pattern, very easy to make, doesn't require corner stitches, it's perfect for any edge and beginner level. So let's get started. For the large leaf border, you will need to have multiples of 6 stitches if your edge is straight, and if you are crocheting like me around a project, you will need multiples of 6 plus 5 stitches. If you don't have that exact number, it doesn't matter. When you have a large blanket, it's really hard to count the stitches. I will show you how to adjust the pattern so you will have the right amount of stitches and the leaves will fall straight in corners. So let's start. I'm working around my sample, which is just a square made with double crochet rows, around which I have crocheted a base border made out of single crochet stitches. And this is simple, just single crochet stitches around your project on the sides with 3 single crochet in each corner. And this gives neater edges, gives you stitches on each side so you can make your border, and also nice rounded corners. And I'm using the same yarn type and hook I've used for the sample, a 5mm crochet hook and aran yarn. And to start, we are going to count 3 stitches back from the corner stitch. So if this is your corner stitch, then count 3 stitches back and we will join the yarn right there with a slip knot. So make a slip knot and then pull it through and chain 1, and this is how you join. Now make a single crochet into the same stitch, and then we start making the large leaf. Skip 2 stitches and into the corner stitch make 3 double crochet, then we start building on top of it to make the leaf larger, chain 3, and we will make 3 double crochet around this double crochet post below. So insert your hook, yarn over, insert your hook between those 2 double crochet and make a double crochet. We need 3, so this is the second one and then the last one. And this gives height to your leaf. Now into the same stitch, make 3 more double crochet. And this is how it looks like. And now we continue crocheting along the edge. We skip 2 and into the third one we make a single crochet. And this is a great pattern for beginners. It doesn't require special corner stitches or calculating any stitches at all, really. This is a simple one. This is your repeat section right here. We're going to make a single crochet, skip 2, and then a large leaf. So we made a single crochet, we skip 2, and into the third one, make another large leaf, make 3 double crochet, then chain 3, and then crochet around the last double crochet post, make 3 double crochet like so, now we have the height and the tip of the leaf. We continue by making 3 double crochet into the same stitch as the other ones. And then we skip 2. And like I said, this is your repeat section. So single crochet, skip 2, leaf stitch, and then skip 2. And we continue like this until we reach this point right here. So three stitches before the leaf. Just repeat this section, and then I'll show you how to adjust if you don't have enough stitches along the side. So now I'm reaching the end of the edge. I'm approaching my corner stitch, which is right here, and I can see if I skip 2 stitches and single crochet, my next one will be 4 stitches away, not 3 stitches away. So what you can do if you have too many stitches is to actually skip more stitches in between. So if you are away maybe 2 extra stitches, then go back, skip 3 stitches here, skip 3 stitches here. If you don't have enough, you skip less. So instead of skipping 2 stitches, skip 1. In an overall project, this will not look out of place. It will blend in and you will have enough stitches. You don't have to actually count and calculate, especially on large projects like the blankets. So just to move my single crochet 2 stitches away from the corner, I am going to skip 3 and single crochet. And it's very important that your leaf, the center of your leaf, falls into the corner. This is the only requirement of this pattern for it to look all right. Otherwise, it won't look very nice if your leaf doesn't fall right in a corner. So, like you see, I've skipped 3. If you look on each side, it's not really visible, and it will be the same if you just skip 1. So now we continue with the same pattern. Skip 2, make a large leaf, in this case into the corner stitch, and this is all you have to do. This is your repeat section. Make 3 double crochet, then chain 3, and then make 3 double crochet around that double crochet post. Followed by 3 double crochet into the same stitch. And now we are onto the next edge. Skip 2, single crochet, and just continue this all around your project, or along the edge, depending what your project is. This is a very versatile border. You can actually do it in a round on absolutely any kind of edge. It will work without having to modify the corners or anything like that. And now I've reached the beginning of the round, and again I've changed how many stitches I skipped, just so I will have 2 stitches to skip right before the first single crochet I have made. In this case here I only skipped 1. On other parts I skipped 3. And now all you have to do is skip the last 2 stitches and slip stitch into that first single crochet, and you are done. And this is how the large leaf border looks like. And if you just look overall, you won't be able to see where I skipped 3 or where I skipped 1. So yeah, this is how you crochet the large leaf border. If you have any questions about this pattern, let me know in the comments below. I'm more than happy to answer and help you. Happy crocheting!